Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it you have to click on here. Then you have to select instance format, then you have to click on this box, then we have to type here 3.5. Then you have to click on this box, then you have to type here 2, then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, we have to select the pen tool format, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and do a curve. Then I have to click on here and do a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Click on here, 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 and here. Then select the move tool and drag this in here. Then double click on here. Then select the blue color. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take it from this layer. Then I have to double click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this layer under this layer. Then I have to rotate this layer. After that, you have to select the pen tool format. Then I have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point again. Then click on here and here. Then select the move tool. After that, you have to select this layers format, then press and hold Alt key, then take it from this layer. Then select this layer, then click on the backspace, then select this layer, then click on the anchor point, then right click on this layer, then click on the flip vertical. Then right click on this layer again, then click on the flip horizontal. Then increase the size of this layer, then drag this layer in here, then drag this layers under these layers. Then you have to double click on here, then select this color format, then click on the OK, then double click on here, then select this color format, then click on the OK. Click on the anchor point again, then right click on this layer, then click on the flip horizontal. Then select the move tool again, then click on here, then click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Then select the move tool format and drag this in here. After that, you have to unlock the background layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then click on the OK. After that, you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Now we have to right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style, then you have to select the green shape, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then select this layer, then double click on here, then you have to select this color format, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then double click on here, then select this color format, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then double click on here, then select this color from here, then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then decrease the size of this layer, and drag this layer in here. After that, you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow. After that, you have to click on here, then you have to click on here, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. So now we have to include the icons and write the text in here. I am already write the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After that, you have to select the shape tool again, then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then click on here, then select the white color again, then select this, then drag this in here. Then increase the size of this. After that, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After that, you have to write this text in here. Then you have to set this text in here. Then you have to select the logo, then decrease the size of the logo. Then click on the tick mark. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After open the mockup, we have to double click on here, then have to select all that's from here, then click on the backspace, then back to the project, then have to unlock all that's from here, then have to select all that's from here, then drag this layers in here, then have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.